looking at some enhancements to the display settings for the point symbols. In Civil Designer version 9, we've added a visibility column. So you can switch the visibility of a symbol on and off as needed. So for example, over here, these wind turbines, I could right click to switch that visibility to no. You can see they're no longer visible in the plan view, and then S to refresh, it'll also then no longer be visible in the render view. Okay, so one of the enhancements now to the display settings, let me just switch that wind turbine on again, so just right click. So the point symbols can be used to link a symbol or block to a survey point name. So you can import a survey and then assign various symbols to those survey point names. Okay, so the visibility, let me just switch that turbine back on. Okay, so just S to refresh and it'll be visible again in the render view. Okay, so the visibility column is an enhancement. We also now give you an option to save the settings, the point symbol settings, to an INI file that you can then load into a different project. We've also given you a Z offset option, so if your symbols are sitting too low inside your shaded surface in the render view, you can then, instead of having to go and edit the insert point for your symbol, you can just add a Z offset. I'll just do a large offset so we can see exactly how that looks. I'm just going to use 20 meters. That's a vertical offset, so you should see these wind turbines jump up into the air a bit. Okay, so it's just to allow for symbols that are sitting a little bit too low in your shaded surface. Okay, so just a Z offset that you can make use of. Okay, and then one more enhancement that I just wanted to show you for Civil Designer version 9. We've also added a rotation angle. So those wind turbines not necessarily in the correct direction, so I'm going to add a 60-degree turn to that, and you'll see them rotated in the plan view, and then just refreshing the render view. Okay, so you can see those blades of the wind turbine have turned towards us. Okay, so those are the enhancements that have been made to the point symbols display settings in Civil Designer version 9.